In this video, I am going to show you how to fix your Bosch Dishwasher E31 error code. So, first of all, the first thing that you would like to try is resetting the dishwasher. Start with a simple reset, just turn off your dishwasher, unplug it or switch off the circuits breaker and wait for 5 minutes at least. Then, restore the power on and turn it back on. Run a short wash cycle to see if the error clears or not. Of course, if that didn't work, you'd like also to check your water supply. Make sure that the water tap is fully opened. Make sure that the inlet hose isn't kinked. And make sure that the water is flowing normally into your dishwasher. A restricted water supply can trigger an E31 error on some models. If that didn't work and you try to make your wash still the error, you would like to clean the filter or go and open your wash or dishwasher, then remove the bottom filter, wash away any food-like particles or debris, and reinstall the filter securely. If you see it damaged, you may want to replace it as well, because a blocked filter or a damaged filter can contribute to drainage and water level problems. If that didn't work as well, you can go and check then for blocked pressure chamber or hose. If you're comfortable opening basically the appliance, just inspect the small pressure hose and look for any detergents buildup or blockage. Clean the hose if necessary, and a clogged pressure chamber or hose is one of the most common causes of E31 on many Bosch models. Other than that, you can also try to look for any water leaks. Check around and underneath the dishwasher for signs of water. If the water has leaked into the base, the dishwasher may display an error until the leak is repaired. And if all of these things didn't work, by doing it yourself, you can either, an example, try to contact a technician or contact Bosch support. If the error returns after trying these steps, the problem may involve like any pressure sensor or heat pump or water level sensor or any wiring or electronic control board. It can be many issues. So these parts usually require further diagnosis or replacement, so you will not be able to do it alone. So you'll either need a technician or you can contact Bosch for one, or you can go and look for a freelancer or freelancer technician that can come and help you fix it. So yeah, that's how basically you fix the error. I hope you like it. Thank you for this, or thank you for watching, and goodbye.